Hello, my sewing friends. I have patterns. I picked up some the last time that Butterick went on sale at JoAnns, and I realized that they're on sale this week, and I don't need any. I don't think I've ever said that before in my life, that I don't need any new patterns. I mean, because you always need new patterns, don't you? I mean, I don't know. Anyway, let me just show you what I got. I'll start off with Butterick 5954. I got it for view A because I wanted something very specific to wear on the plane on my trip to Europe. And I did end up using this pattern, although I wanted another one, and I got several, thinking I'll just take them all home and decide when I get there. And so I ended up using that one. I do like view C because I like the split front and the cowl neck and the short sleeves. I think that's really pretty. There are the line drawings. Yeah. So yeah, I may end up making view C. I don't know. But I think that would be a good winter top for me where I live, since it's very warm where I live. It's funny, fashion, I love all the fall patterns that have come out, but I live in a place where you just don't wear that stuff. So yeah, time to look in the not so new patterns in the catalogs and just kind of see what's there in terms of summerish kind of things. Okay, Butterick 6173 is one that I got specifically for view B. I really like the tucks on the front of that. I think it's a great tunic. It would go well over capris or jeans, and I really liked it. I don't like anything else on this pattern because they're basically just big squares that you put over your head, almost like a poncho. So there are the line drawings, and I like this. There is one view where you do a lace overlay over essentially a tank top, which is a nice idea. So yeah. Butterick 6458 I got for this same top that I was thinking about, and I really liked it for, what is this, view B. I love that silhouette. I love that look. This is active wear, so it's made for four-way stretch fabrics, like performance fabrics, and I didn't realize that when I picked it up. Not that that stops me from using it for wovens, but yeah, I think some adjustments would have to be made, but I just love these tops. I really do. Here are the line drawings, and one of them has some color blocking going on, and I really like that. So that is Butterick 6458. Butterick 6676 is one of the new patterns, and I don't know if this is summer or fall. It's probably summer because it's a sleeveless dress, but what drew me to it was view C, which is the one with the tie front. I just think that's so cute. And I do have another pattern that has these little side belts on it. I like that too. So this is just my kind of dress. I think with the ties in the front, it would be really flattering. So yeah, just my kind of thing. That's Butterick 6676. Butterick 6316 is another my kind of dress. What I love on this is the color blocking on the armhole facing. I know I keep saying color blocking. I don't know if I'm just into that right now or what, but I just love this dress. I love the definition on it with the princess seams and then the little waistline seam in between the princess seams, which you can see there. I love the pockets. I like so many things about this dress. I think it's going to be really pretty made up. Butterick 6447 is a pattern that I've had on my eye on for a while. I just love the look of it. I'm not a person who does yokes really very well, especially a gathered yoke. It just doesn't look good on me, but I really like this. Again, color blocking. It's like I'm starting to sound like a broken record, aren't I? But I really like the shorter dress. I'm not so wild about the maxis, but the back on this is so pretty. And I think that would have to be fitted just right. And the reason I say that is because I made a top with that kind of it was a variation on that, but that kind of a back, and I made it out of a knit, and it tended to droop a little bit. So I think depending on the fabric that you used, this would be really cute. So yeah, even the Maxi. The Maxi might be really cute too, which is VUB. Yeah. New look, 6622. I paid full price for, which is only $3.99, but I got this because somebody made this in their makes, and actually the same with that. That was Lindsay at Inside the Hem, made a cute little dress out of that Butterick pattern, but Viv Mom, she made this with View B, and this is just a little top, but look at that ruffle. Oh man, I am all about ruffles. I love them. I don't love doing them, but I do love the way they look, so I couldn't resist this. When I saw that she had made it, I thought, I need that pattern in my life. I need that top in my life, so picked it up. That is New Look 6622. Simplicity 5555 is a pattern that I am quite certain that I had back in 1978 or 77 or whenever this came out. It looked just like this, the pattern did. And it's just a very versatile halter top, and I didn't buy it for me. No, I bought it for the girls. It is very simple, and I just couldn't resist. To be honest, I thought, oh my gosh, there it is again. Can't believe how many of these reissued patterns, they're all vintage now, are ones that I actually made back when they came out new. So that again is Simplicity 5555. I have some McCall's, and then I have one more Simplicity that I will tell you about. But McCall's 7972 is a Laura Ashley pattern, and we all know how I feel about Laura Ashley. I love Laura Ashley, what they're coming out with right now. And I was going to go to the store in England, and I didn't have time, and I'm kind of sad about that. So now I have to go back to England because, you know, you got to go to Laura Ashley. I love this little dress. I love two things about it: the square neckline, and then I love these ruffles that come down the front. I think they just make that dress. You know, they're so pretty, and they add such interest without being overly too much, you know? So, yeah, I will probably make View B, which is the one shown on the front. I think a maxi in this would be beautiful. Even if you did it with the ruffles, I think that would be so pretty. So, yeah, I'm completely in love with this. I love the little puff sleeve, all those little details, you know, that make it so feminine. I love that. That is McCall's 7972. McCall's 7975 is a top, and I would obviously make this one because I wouldn't want the long sleeved one because I couldn't wear it. I do like the bell sleeve though, but the thing I love is this twist. I think that's so cute. I really like it. So I'm not sure how you would construct it, but I am totally up for the challenge. So yeah, love that. Not sure what I would use in terms of fabrics. I think I might have to buy some fabrics for that. What a concept. But anyway, that is McCall's 7975. McCall's 7755 is a jumpsuit, and also, I think is it just a jumpsuit? Yeah, it's just a jumpsuit and a romper that I bought for the girls because I know they love them. This has a little, almost like a drawstring neckline, and so I just thought they would love it. They would love that. So there are the line drawings. You can wear it with or without the belt. I think it would be more flattering with the belt, but I don't know. VB might be. What do you think? Is that a dress with a slit? I don't know. I guess I should pull it out of the pattern and find out. McCall's 7755. McCall's 7131 is a split skirt. Back in the day, we would have called these gauchos or culottes, probably gauchos because of the length. But I just liked the way it was. They look. I mean, I think really kind of cute. Probably more for the girls than me, but maybe me. You never know. It's got the plain waistband on the front and then the elasticized waistband on the back. You can see right there. This could be really flattering. So, I don't know. I love the way that the pockets are constructed. And I just kind of liked it. To be honest, I think my oldest daughter would love these, and they would really flatter her. So I may make them for her, but I may make them for me. You never know. And my last pattern is Simplicity 8956, and I had gotten this when Simplicity patterns were on sale because I love the look of these pants. I just love them. I love the tie. I love the way they come up to a point right there. I really liked everything about these pants. And then I have to tell you that, you know, this big trip I went on, I was in Italy. These were all I saw. All I saw. If women were wearing pants, these were the ones they were wearing. All of them had the self-tie belts, shorts, pants, capris. It didn't matter. They were made like this. I couldn't get over it. I kept thinking, I have a Simplicity pattern that is just like all of these. So I was really kind of surprised, but yeah, they're just flattering. The pleats in the front, and this does also come with a skirt, but I was interested in those pants. A little bit of a wide leg going on there. There are the line drawings. Yeah. So that's Simplicity 8956. If you want to wear what everybody is wearing in Italy, that's it. The other thing I saw in Italy was a lot of high-waisted jeans that they wore. I didn't really pay much attention to dresses or tops, but boy, everybody was wearing high-waisted denim jeans. Shorts, pants, wow. They were all high-waisted and they all had a little belt. They weren't really mom jeans, but they were just high-waisted. And the other thing I saw, and I was glad that I had taken mine, I thought, well, I need a jacket to just throw on. I had a jeans jacket that I had bought because I previously had one and I didn't realize it had paint on it. How did it get paint on it? Who knows? So I got a new one and I was so glad that I had that. It was just the right weight for England because England's a little bit chilly this time of year. And everybody wore them. That's all I saw were jeans jackets. I was so surprised. I thought, wow, man, hit that right on, but had no idea that was the fashion right now. So tied waist pants, high-waisted jeans or shorts, and jeans jackets. All the rage. So that's my pattern haul. Let me know if you are interested in any of these, if you've made them up. Are they easy? Are they a problem? What do you think? Did you see them on Instagram or Pattern Review? I should look those up. I haven't done that yet. So let me know. And that's it for now for me. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.